Oracle Application Express, or Apex, is a powerful low-code platform. It allows developers to build incredible applications quickly. Apex is fully supported and runs on the Oracle database. Before you begin your Apex journey, it's essential to have the right tools. First, you need Oracle Database 19c. This is where your Apex applications will reside. Next, you'll need Java Development Kit or JDK 11, which is crucial for running Apex. Oracle WebLogic Server 14.1.1 acts as the application server for Apex. You'll also need Oracle REST Data Services, or ORDS, 23.2 to connect Apex to the web. Finally, you'll download Oracle Apex 23.2 itself. Don't worry, we'll guide you through each step. Once these components are in place, you'll be well on your way to building amazing applications. Let's get started with setting up your Oracle database. Our first step is setting up Oracle Database 19c. Download the installation files from the official Oracle website. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. During the installation, you'll create a pluggable database or PDB. Think of a PDB as a container within your database for Apex. Once the database is up and running, we need to install JDK 11. Download the appropriate JDK installer for your operating system. After installation, set up the Java_home environment variable. This points your system to the JDK installation directory. Now let's move on to Oracle WebLogic Server. Download the WebLogic Server 14.1.1 installation files. Again, follow the instructions provided. During the installation, create a new WebLogic domain. This domain will host your Apex application. After installation, start the WebLogic Server to ensure it's running correctly. With the database, JDK, and WebLogic Server ready, we can move on to the next phase. Now let's install ORDS 23.2. ORDS acts as a bridge between your Apex applications and the web. Download the ORDS installation files and follow the instructions. You'll then need to run the ORDS configuration script. This script sets up ORDS to work with your database and WebLogic Server. Next, we'll deploy ORDS on WebLogic Server. This involves copying some files and configuring the WebLogic domain. With ORDS in place, we can finally install Apex 23.2. Download the Apex installation files and extract them. You'll find several SQL scripts within the extracted files. These scripts are responsible for installing Apex into your database. Run these scripts in SQL*+, connecting as a user with the necessary privileges. Finally, configure the Apex RESTful services and set the Apex administrator password. Your Apex installation is now complete. We're almost there. We need to configure ORDS to work seamlessly with Apex. Run the apex_rest_config.sql script provided in the Apex installation files. This script configures the necessary settings for Apex to communicate with ORDS. Next, deploy Apex with ORDS. This usually involves creating a new deployment in your WebLogic domain and pointing it to the Apex images directory. Finally, unlock the Apex_public_user account. This account is used by Apex to access data in your database. Now start your WebLogic server. Once it's up and running, you can access your Apex environment. Open a web browser and navigate to the URL of your Apex installation. You should see the Apex login page. Log in using the administrator credentials you set during installation. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Oracle Apex 23.2.